India and France signed agreement on Monday for the purchase of 26 Rafale Marine fighter jets. The deal was scheduled to be signed during the visit of French Defense Minister Sebastien Lecornu to India on April 28. However, the visit was deferred and the deal was signed by other senior officials. The 63,000 crore rupees, $7.5 billion, deal includes weapons, spares, maintenance packages and updates for the 36 Rafales currently operated by the Indian Air Force, IAF. The Dassault Aviation-built Rafale-M aircraft will replace the aging Russian-made MiG-29K fighters currently deployed on India's two aircraft carriers, INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2029 and conclude by 2031. The Indian Air Force already operates 36 Rafale jets acquired under a separate agreement. The move comes as New Delhi works to reduce its reliance on Russian-origin equipment amid rising tensions along its borders with Pakistan and China. The latest deal also extends India's history of relying on French military hardware. This includes the Mirage 2000 fighter jets acquired in the 1980s and the Scorpion-class submarines ordered in 2005. The Indian Navy's 26 Rafale will eventually join the 36 Rafale used by the IAF and makes India the first country other than France to operate both versions. The first Rafale-M will be delivered by 2029. However, French Navy Rafale-M are expected to be provided to the Indian Navy for training and familiarization until the new aircraft are built and delivered. 4 of the 26 Rafales will be twin-seat DH trainer versions and will be restricted to the shore given the lack of a twin-seat carrier-capable Rafale-M. The remaining 22 are expected to be deployed on board INS Vikrant. In order for the Rafale to fit on the compact aircraft elevators of INS Vikrant, India's indigenous aircraft carrier, modifications to the wingtip are reportedly required. The lifts were designed to accommodate the MiG-29K and the LCA Navy aircraft. The latter was deemed unsuitable for naval use, being powered by a single engine.